Oh, that's good.
She didn't get me, did you? Get back in here to get my roll.
Please subscribe show. YouTube Cole Spivey.
Yeah, man. You find the right one? Which one is it? B1?
No, it's B complex, but it still has my back.
So much for making us your hometown station, and then I want to tell you, you might want to listen after Parker McCollum. You might like the song and the artists that we're going to play. Just saying. New Country 96.3. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong.
What in the world? What are you doing?
Restrooms are closed for maintenance.
Oh, the restrooms are closed? Okay. Okay. I don't know where they would have them. This thing is so sticky, though.
What's so
It's just,
sticky?
this thing right here that I'm wearing, it's just sticky.
What's so sticky?
I don't know. I'm just not used to that. I'm used to cloth. I don't really mind it. It's like the medical stuff. It's a government mask. This is issued by the government right here.
Yeah, that's from fucking Walmart.
Yeah, no. I finally had to break one open. They're actually kind of good. They do have air. You have air, but it's very different. You can tell by the way I'm talking. It's more sealed, and they use like a rubber thing right here to get it. But what I'm looking for, that I don't think they have. They have blue guns though. Oh, these are like front yard things for the front yard. They're jeweled solar stakes. Remember that song I was singing? I'm a man on a mission, starting up my solar electric Ford ignition. You got that one? Okay, I don't know. There's like a clearance section too, in a dollar store. So what would that mean? We're in like a Dollar General.
Is that really $18 or is that just a tag on it?
I don't know. Oh, whoa. 3 for
I don't
$5.
think they have a restroom at the lunch.
I'm definitely gonna get this one though. Did you bring your card? Hey, you had to bring your card. Yeah, you went into the other place. Okay. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere. They got toys though. Ooh, Minnie Mouse. Huh. And they got Marvel, Captain Marvel. Nerve. You like to play cards. I got a bunch of decks. I've got a presidential deck too. It goes all the way to Obama. It's not a joke either. I think I vlogged it. Okay. Oh, you found the garden section.
Yeah, look at this one.
Ooh, it's Bite Fighter. That's what you need, sweetie. Bite Fighter.
Oh.
Go get your tiki torch.
Oh, I need my mini
Where
tea card.
Where are the tiki torches?
That's cute. Look at that.
It's like
a mini
tiki
garden
torch,
thing.
tiki torch. I will not be replaced. I will not be replaced.
Okay, speaking of replace.
You can get it right here.
Look at that. That's new. Look.
Oh,
Garlic, onion,
wow.
paprika, charcoal.
Oh.
I'm not used to cooking with charcoal, but yeah. Speaking of that, let's see if this lady knows how the laundromat stuff works.
I might try this out later on. I'm gonna cool it though.
Okay, what are we gonna?
This is only $1. I think I'm gonna get this. Did you get your medicine?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, I'm gonna get this then. Can you cover this for me?
I need some peppermint for the.
Would you cover this for me at least? Oh, these are bad right here. These are bad. I took them in college, and it's like they used to have ephedra in it. It's pretty harsh. They still sell them on the market though. Help me jog, or I thought it helped me jog. Then they've got a whole series of movies. Oh wow! Check this out right here. This is freaking crazy. This is Jordan the Lion, I think, is in this. No, he's not. No, he's not. This is with the Cranks.
Yeah,
okay,
Tim
no.
Allen.
He's in another one. He's in another Christmas movie. I thought they
What
actually.
year is that? Let's see how good you know it.
I don't know. I'd say 1999.
No. It's 2006.
2006. I thought it was a different one. This one's called the Cranks. I thought it was the actual Jordan the Lion movie. He's got one on the Internet Movie Database that he shows. I don't even know how to. No one knows how to pronounce it. It's like the Kronkicus or something.
What year is it?
Oh wow, dude! I'm getting this. This is a battle movie, dude. It's based on a lot of my vlogs. We're buying this right now. This is battle. I'm getting it. Even have to get my card.
What year is this? It says 99 minutes. Oh, 2005. I was off.
2005. I was off by about 5 years.
No, you're off
I
by
have
6
this one.
years.
I have that one. Right here. And this is a good collection right here. Hang on for a second. I'm getting this one though. Check this out right here.
No, be careful. I had my stuff in my hand.
Oh my God! They put Drive with all these crappy
I had my
films.
stuff in my hand. I don't know if you saw it.
Okay, that's wrong. That should be an independently only Drive. Okay, I'm getting this for sure. This is a battle film right here. You want me to buy it? I can get my card. I'll just pay you back. Like $1 or something. You can't find these anywhere though. This is a great collection. Hi, can I buy this right here?
Yeah, she wants to get paid. Quick question, how much is it? Hey, quick question.
So it's about a banker. It's about a banker.
Because I can't figure it out.
Yeah, I think I think the other ones are like $1 and stuff. But if you want to see what's next to it, no, it's a Scorsese film.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
It's one of Harvey Keitel's first films called Who's That Knocking on My Door.
It's not scanning up. I'm gonna get someone to scan it.
Yeah, okay. Appreciate it.
Another time. I really have to.
Do you mind if I see it real quick?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Right here. Or you can take my credit card.
Yeah. We were looking for a restroom too. All right, I got it for $3. They didn't have it priced, so it was $5 is what they were asking for all the other movies. You see those every once in a while. I got 2 Woody Allen films the same way. I got them for $1, but this one's only like $3. It's a little bit higher. It's one of Scorsese's masterpieces, one of his first ones. Harvey Keitel plays a banker. It's really good. Hey, and the restrooms are pretty nice too. Why don't you try here?
No, always fine. How about you try here?
I don't know. Okay, let's move on.
Oh my God, you play for
Look at that cloud right there. It's got a hole in it. See? Where did the hole go? Oh, there it is. All right. What did you say? Okay. We're going to check out the pricing. Look at this right here. We've had several reports that a person in this photo claims to be a Quick Wash employee. We typically see her on camera between the hours of midnight to 3 a.m. To be clear, this person has not been hired and does not represent Quick Wash. Feel free to call the police if she misrepresents herself or cause So she's on camera. Probably some kind of quarter thing. I'm gonna check out the pricing on the quarters.
Dirty doors, dirty doors.
Right. Okay, we're looking at quarters only. $1.50, that's pretty good. And that's actually wash. That's gonna be wash temperature.
And now it's $1.50.
Okay. Now you got the older dryers, they can take up to an hour. Look, see right there? I'm looking for newer dryers. They can take a little bit of time. Alright, they deal with time wash on this. So what it means is you put the quarter in, it adds more and more time. It starts off at 25 cents. You usually have to put like $5 in there and stuff. Go into these right here, triple loads. These are probably, you can see it right here. 10 coins. You can do a triple load. Yeah, you got to put like a $5 in there probably. Yeah, the stupid ones. So these are older right here.
Well, it says normal
You can
loads
see
will
right here.
require 30 minutes. So if they think it's 8 minutes, so I take $1 to try.
Mm-hmm.
Don't be. Best, let me tell you a secret, okay? See all these today. Okay? Pull these out. Clean the bin out.
Oh, I see. It's right here.
I haven't seen a dog. That touched the wall. I have seen,
Yeah, because they got too much red food colors.
yeah.
It's probably hadn't been used in like 10 years. This is
No,
broken
probably
here.
15 years.
I tried to call somebody just a while ago. Here, look. Here, take the phone. Okay.
No, it's-
Okay, now what?
Do not come on the last Wednesday of the month, 10 p.m. for 6 hours.
So don't come on the last Wednesday for 6 hours?
Yeah.
So it's a 10 p.m. thing.
Yeah, so like
And the first Monday, don't come from 5 a.m. for about 3 hours. That's a message. That's probably a message from God. No, I'm just joking.
Oh, look at Mexican Inn Cafe. Yummy.
Do you want to pour a little bit in there? Don't taste the detergent. Don't drink it.
I've eaten cat food before.
Right here.
Cat food.
Just hold it in your hand. Nope, you lost it. Grab that one on that one, on this side, on that side.
Please.
Okay, now We're gonna do start, and I'm gonna do cold.
Press start. Load laundry and latch door. Add detergent and fabric softener. Select temperature. Add payment. Press start. Add bleach when displayed. Door locks when machine starts and remains locked until cycle is ended. Okay, 27 minutes. Bye-bye. We'll see you later. I don't know. Now I forgot. So I need 5 quarters.
5 quarters.
Yeah, I already put 3 in there. Hold on. 4. Then we're gonna press start. Yay! Ting.